Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to this has to be day number 1. Yes, day number 1, week 9, spring 2025. That's day number 1, week 9, spring 2025 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight. It's certainly a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. All right, let's begin. All right, my name is Mr. Petit. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday the 3rd of March 2025. We are in March. And is anyone born in March, the day of March? Sorry, the month of March.
I am.
Okay. All right, good. Subject. Who said I am?
Madeline.
Joel, you born in March?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. And Madeline, you born in March as well?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Okay. March babies. Okay, good. Okay, so which month is the best month?
August.
August?
May.
May? December?
December.
Wow. Okay. All right. The topic we're gonna be doing past paper questions. We'll be doing past paper questions. What I want us to do is I want to teach you all how to do this fractions thing, and I actually want us to go back using IXL. I really want us to do that. So if we don't do that today, I'm going to do that tomorrow, but I really want us to go back to IXL to get some practice. So I can actually see what y'all understand and what y'all remember so far. So we are going to be doing IXL at some point. Definitely at some point in the very near future. We might do it today if I get it to work today. If not, then tomorrow for sure, more than likely. All right, so let's dusty off some things that we should already know how to do. So let me try this one. This is number 1. Today is let's do 3 over 4 plus 3 over 4 plus 2 over, let's say 2 over 5. So I have 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5. Adaya, do you know how to do this? 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5. Adaya, do you know how to do this? Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? Okay, I can't hear from Adaya. Seth? Where's Seth?
Sir.
Seth, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know how to do this? 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5.
I think I do.
Okay, how do we do this?
So 3 plus 2 is 5 and 4 plus 5 is 9.
No, that's not how we do it. Anyone else want to help him?
So we have to make
I
it the
do.
same denominator.
Yeah.
We have to do what? What we have to do?
Make it the same denominator.
We have to do what?
We
We have
find the lowest common denominator.
to find the lowest common denominator or LCM of what?
4 and 5.
The LCM of 4 and 5. So the LCM, the LCM of 4 and 5, of 4, comma 5. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to list the multiples of what? It's the multiples of
4 and 5.
4. Very good. So it's just the multiples of 4. What are the multiples of 4? The multiples of 4 are what?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20.
4,
4, 8, 12,
12,
16, 16,
16,
20,
and so on.
and on.
So 4, 8, 12, 16, and what else?
20,
20,
20, and what else?
24,
24, very good. And the list goes on, right? Then we have 5. And what are the multiples of 5?
5, 10, 15, 20,
5, 10, 15, right? 20. And what
25.
else? 25, very good, 25. And the list goes on. Okay, so what is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5?
20,
20, very good. So it's gonna be 20. And so we're gonna say how many times does 4? So what times 4 is 20?
5,
5, very good. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the
top,
top. Very good. And what times 5 is 20?
4,
4. Again, whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the
top,
so we must do to the top. And so what do we have? We have 4 times 5. What is 4 times 5? That's gonna be what?
20,
20. Okay. And 3 times 5, which is what?
15,
15. So we have 15 over 20 plus what?
8 over 20,
2 times 4 is
8,
8. Very good. And 5 times 4 is
20.
20. Very good. And so the answer is we have 15 over 20 plus 8 over 20. Seth, please turn your camera. Lorenda, turn your camera as well. Kerrigan, turn your camera. All right. Seth, do you understand how we got the lowest common multiple as 20?
If you don't understand it, don't say it. What you say, Mr. Petit?
Do you understand how we got the lowest common multiple as 20?
Because they both have 20 in common.
Very good. So we have the first list of multiples of 4. What are multiples of 4?
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24.
Good. What are multiples of 5?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25,
And what number is the lowest common multiple between the two?
20.
20. Very good. So 20 is common between both. See, Seth, these two numbers they are not the same. They are unlike denominators. All right. And so because they are unlike denominators, right, we have to make them the same before we add. You understand that?
Yeah.
So what times 4 gives me 20?
The times 4 gives me 20.
What times 4 gives me 20?
5,
5, very good. What is 4 times 5?
20,
Good. Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the
top,
3 times 5 is what?
15,
15, very good. And what times 5 gives me 20?
20.
No, what times 5 gives me 20?
So what times 5 gives me 20? 4,
4. 5 times 4 is what?
20,
And 2 times 4 is
8,
8, very good. And so we're going to do at this point, we're going to
add,
add, very good. 15 plus 8 is what? 15, 16,
23.
17, 18, 19,
23.
20, 21, 22, 23. So it's going to be 23 over what?
20 because the
Over 20.
denominator says the
Over
same.
20 because the denominator stays the same. Very good. And so we're finished, right? We're done with this. We don't have to worry about this
No,
anymore.
sir. It's an improper fraction.
It's an improper fraction. What do we do with the improper fraction? What are we going to do with it?
We can change it to a denominator. I mean, a mixed number.
We can change it into a mixed number. And how can we do
So
that?
divide it.
Say it again.
Divide it.
Divide it. Okay.
20 is going to be on the outside because it's denominator.
Say it again.
20 is going to be on the outside because it's the denominator.
So okay, 20 is gonna be on the outside. And so we have to divide this, right? So we say 20 into
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
yes.
I got my answer.
What you got?
My whole number is 1,
Uh-huh.
3 over 20.
1 and 3 over 20.
I
Well,
got that too.
20 goes into 23 how many times?
Once.
1 time, right? So this goes into that once. Okay. 20 times 1 is what?
20.
20.
20. And so we have 23 minus 20. 3
Leaves us
minus
with
0 is what?
I got that.
3.
3. So what's the whole number?
1.
1.
In the 1.
What's the denominator?
20.
20. What's the numerator?
3.
The numerator is 3. Very good. And so that's going to be equal to whole number is
1.
Numerator is
3.
3.
3. Denominator is
20.
20. Very
20.
good. So it's 1 and 3 over 20. Lorinda, do you understand that? Maya, do you understand that? The rest of you all, do we understand how we got that? Let me know, please.
I understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Madeline, explain
Yes,
how we
sir.
got 1 and 3 over 20, please.
We got the answer by finding the LCM of 4 and 5.
Mhm.
Then our LCM was 20.
Mhm.
So then we times it by how I don't know how to explain it.
So what times 4 gives me 20?
5.
Good. So we'll continue from there.
And then 4 times 5 equals 20 again. So then we do the same to the top for the both of them for what we got.
Mhm.
So then it would be 15 over 20 plus 8 over 20. So
Mhm.
then we add them both together. So we get 23 over 20. And it's an improper fraction. So we take the denominator and divide it by 23. And when we divide it, we get 1, which is going to be our whole number. And then the remainder is going to be our numerator. And the 20 is going to be our denominator.
Very good. Very good. Lincoln, do you understand how we got this? Where's Lincoln?
Yes, sir.
Explain how we got 1 and 3 over 20, please.
So we have 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5. First, if we look at the denominators, the denominators are unlike. So we have to do the LCM. And the LCM for 4 and 5 is 20. So 4 times 5 is 20, and whatever goes to the bottom goes to the top.
Mhm.
And 5 times 4 is 20, whatever goes to the bottom goes to the top.
Mhm.
And so we change the whole fraction. Now 3 over 4 turns into 15 over 20,
Mhm.
and 2 over 5 turns into 8 over 20. Then we add the numerators, then we keep denominators the same, and we got 23 over 20.
Mhm.
But we don't stop there because because it's an improper fraction, so we have to change it into a mixed number.
Mhm.
So what we do is we divide 23 by 20, and so
Mhm.
the only number that could go into 23 is 20. So it can go into 23 once.
Mhm.
And so we subtract 23 by 20 and we get 3. So our whole number will be 1. The numerator will would be the 3, and the denominator will be the 20.
Very good. All right, so let's do another example.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
I just realized you can check your answer by doing 20 times 1 plus 3.
Say it again.
You can check your answer by doing 20 times 1 plus 3.
Yes, you can. Yeah, do it backwards. All right, let's do another one. And for this one, I want you all to put your answers inside the chat. Again, for this one, I want you to put your answers inside the chat. We're gonna do this one. Let y'all try this one. So say I have 2 over 4 plus 3 over 5. So 2 over 4 plus 3 over 5. Do that for me, please. Again, 2 over 4 plus 3 over 5. Answer that and put
You
your answer.
basically switch out the numerators.
Ah, smart. 2 over 4 plus 3 over 5.
So I just do the whole thing.
All right. Do me a favor, please. Type your full name in the chat. Again, type your full name in the chat. Do me a favor, type your full name in the chat for me.
And the middle name?
Just your first and last. Do it in one text. Do not type it separately. Do it in one text. Seth, thank you, Seth. Type your full name in the chat for me.
I put my name on the answer in the chat.
Okay, thank you. Maya, thank you. Maya, you already got the answer?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Again, type your full name in the chat. I got Maya, I got Legacy. All right. I got Lincoln Smith. Kerrigan. Where's Kerrigan? Kerrigan.
Yes, sir.
How do you pronounce your last name?
McCoy.
So you rewrite your name, please, because it doesn't have the M there. Again, rewrite your name because it doesn't have the M there. All right. I think I got everyone except Kerrigan. Adaya, where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? Where's Adaya? I need to have Adaya.
Yeah, so I can hear you now. I wasn't sure if he was talking or not.
Put your name in the chat. Put your name in the chat.
Yes.
Your first and last name. Seth, you put your name inside the chat already?
Yes, sir.
Good. Who was here, but I need to put their name. Trinity. I remember Trinity Borrows. Who's not here, but I need to put their name. Well, I can't remember Roscoe. Wyatt.
Maya?
Maya's here. Where's Wyatt?
Mr. Petit, are you talking about the people who inside the class who hasn't sent their name, or the people who inside the class?
Someone who's here but haven't sent in. No, someone who's here but not
Trinity.
Trinity. Yeah, Trinity. I have Trinity.
Unless Miss Bartels.
Yeah, Trinity Borrows. I have Trinity. Where's Wyatt?
Is Kylie here?
Kylie. I haven't seen Kylie in a while. Trinity. Okay. All right. Let me I'm gonna put your username and password in the chat. All right. I'm gonna put your username and password in the chat. Okay. Okay. Good. Import students.
I put my answer in the chat, Mr. Petit.
Good. What did y'all get for your what did y'all get for your answer for this?
I got 1 and 1 over 10.
1 and 1 over 10. Okay. Anyone
I
else?
got that too.
1 and 1 over
I
10.
got 1 and 2 over 20.
1 and 2 over 20. That could be simplified, Maya.
Excuse me, Miss Petit. I
Yeah.
got 1 and 1 over 20.
1 over 20?
Yes, ma. I mean, yes, sir.
1 over 20. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this question. Okay, so just to see what we have. Adaya, where's Adaya?
Yes, sir.
How are we gonna answer this question? We have 2 over 4 plus 3 over 5. What are we gonna do?
Find the LCM of 4 and 5.
What is the LCM of 4 and 5?
20.
4.
20. 20.
So
So
what? 20.
what times Adaya, what times 4 is 20?
5.
5, very good. Whatever we do at the bottom, we must do to the
Top.
top. And Adaya, what times 5 is 20?
4, sorry.
4, very good. Whatever we do at the bottom, we must do to the top
Top.
as well. Then we go 4 times 5 is what?
20.
20, very good. And 2 times 5 is?
10.
10. Plus all over. 3 times 4 is what?
12.
12. And 5 times 4 is?
20.
20, very good. And so we have 10 over 20 plus 12 over 20, which gives us what?
22 over 40.
No, we do not add the denominators.
22 over 20.
Very good, 22 over 20. Do you understand this so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Adaya, what are we going to do with this? Are we going to leave it like this, or are we going to change it into
We're going to divide it.
divide it? How many times
Yes.
does 20 go into 22?
Twice.
No, think about it. How many times does 20 go into 22? Once. 20 times 1 is what?
20.
20. And 22 minus 20 is what?
2.
2. Very good. So that means that our answer is going to be what? The whole number is what?
1.
1 is the whole number. So it's going to be 1. The numerator is what?
2.
It's the numerator. Very good. The denominator is going to be what?
20.
20. So it's going to be numerator is 2. Denominator is 20. Can we simplify this further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What could we use to
Yes,
simplify
sir.
it?
2.
Adaya, what could we use to simplify this?
2.
2.
Excuse me.
1 second. Adaya, 2 divided by 2 is what?
1.
1. And 20 divided by 2 is what?
22.
No, 20 divided by 2.
20.
No.
10.
Half of 20. 10. Very good. So it's going to be 10. Okay. So it's 1 and 1 over 10. Okay. All right.
Excuse me.
1 second. Did anyone else get 1 and 1 over 10? Let me know if y'all got that. 1 and
I corrected it.
Over 20.
1 and 1 over 10. You have to simplify it more, Seth. By the way, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Excuse me.
Go ahead, Najara.
Lorenda's asking me, says she can't hear you.
She can't hear me. Tell her to log out and come back in.
Yes, sir.
All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I think, okay, I did a render. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Okay, see. All right. Have you already sent in your work? Let me know, please.
I did.
Okay.
I did.
I just sent mine in.
Okay, good. All right. Okay, I posted your username and password in the chat. Please go to IXL and sign in. But first, write down your username and password. Write it down so you can keep it. And then go to IXL.
Did you change the username and password from last time?
I did change it. Yeah, I changed it.
Can I take a picture of it so I can remember?
Yes, you can take a picture of it or write it down. All right.
Super T.
Mm-hmm.
Quick question.
Mm-hmm.
Are these made up passwords?
It's just automatically generated. Yeah.
My name isn't there, Miss Petite.
Your name, Najara, that's correct. Najara, did you put your name in the chat?
Yes, sir.
Let me see. Okay. All right.
Do you want us to go on IXL now?
Yeah, go on IXL now.
What is that?
You never heard of IXL. Najara, you never did IXL with us?
No, sir.
Oh,
Screw Mr. Petite, I don't know how to go on IXL.
who's that speaking?
Carrigan. I
Oh,
haven't did
Kerrigan.
IXL with y'all either.
Who's that speaking? Lorenda.
Lorenda.
Lorenda, okay.
And I started last year. I never did this with y'all.
No, I think you did this when you were on your thing your spelling bee.
Spelling bee?
Yeah.
Oh.
Excuse me,
Excuse
Mr.
me,
Petit.
Roman numerals.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot how to go on IXL. It keep telling me my username, my password is wrong.
Yeah, you have to use the username and password I put inside the chat, the new one.
I used it and it told me that it was wrong. Unless I don't know how to go on IXL.
You on your laptop or tablet?
My laptop.
Okay, let me share my screen and show you all how to go on it. Oh, by the way, let me put, what's her name? Najara's username and password in the chat. Okay, I'm gonna post it again and then we could start it.
I'm gonna record how you're doing it so I can remember.
And, list.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
It's not hard. It's not hard at all. It's really not hard.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Can you send the link in the group chat?
Say it again. I could send the link in the chat. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I should do. I'm gonna send the link of the quiz inside the chat. No, the link of the website. Let me just do that. IXL.com. So you're just gonna go and sign up. Okay.
I got it already, Mr. Petit.
You got
What do you
it?
want us to do? What do you want us to go on to?
I haven't posted the quiz yet. I'm gonna post the quiz right now, but I just want them to go on and sign up first.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
I got him.
You got in? Good.
So,
Excuse me, Smitty.
Go ahead.
And I have to change to go to track practice now.
Okay, no problem.
Can you send the link to my movie, please?
I will. Are you still gonna do it in the car, or are you gonna what you gonna do?
I might do it when I get home because very something important happening at track practice today. So I
Okay.
might do it at home.
Okay, no problem.
Bye.
Or you could do it tomorrow when you come in class. We still be on this.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Petit,
Bye.
Go ahead.
they are saying
Good evening.
1 in 4 students use IXL for academical and
Yeah,
English.
go and sign in. Sign in to IXL. Go on that.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. P. I don't know what to do next. I have to go on the link.
When you go on the link, go and sign in. You should see sign in or sign up. Put the username and password. Oh, Kerrigan. Yeah, put your username and password that I have inside the chat.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. What grade do I have to top?
Now I'm gonna put the quiz inside the chat. Once you're ready in, I'm gonna put the quiz in the chat. All right.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
Put classrooms, school, and districts or families.
No, you on the wrong thing.
I am.
Yeah, you on the wrong thing.
Wait, they have right here username.
Username and password, go to that one.
Yes, sir.
Username and password, go to that one.
Excuse me, Miss Petite, I'm signed in.
Good. All right, so for those of you already signed in, use the link inside the chat to do the first quiz. Again, for those of you already signed in, use the link inside the chat to go to the first quiz. It should be easy. For those of you already signed in, use the link to go to the first quiz.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Will we ever have simplify any of them?
It still will mark it right. So that's one thing with IXL. If you simplify it or not, it's still gonna mark it right.
I started, Mr. Petit.
You've started the quiz?
Yes, sir.
No, you haven't logged in. You have to log in. Because I only see Maya and Legacy.
Oh.
You have to log in. If you don't log in, then it's gonna tell you that you on a free trial and you have to whatever. So you have to
Mr.
log in.
Petit, I'm in. It's showing me fractions.
Yeah, but you haven't logged in. Because I can't see your score. You have to sign in. Sign in. You have to sign in.
It showed me that it's trying to have my name and stuff there.
Okay. Are you doing the quiz I sent in the chat?
Yes, I didn't answer a question yet.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me, Miss Petite, is there only one question?
No, there are multiple questions.
I only see one.
Have you used the link inside the chat?
Yes, sir.
I only see one too.
You answer that question? Answer that question. Once you answer that question, then you probably go on the board. Answer that first question. So if I only see Legacy and Maya. So the rest of you.
Mr. Petit, if they give us something like 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4, do we simplify it then?
IXL don't work like that. If you had it simplified or not, it still will give you it.
All right, I see.
Do you see my name now?
I see a Daya. No, I don't see a name yet.
You don't see my name?
No.
It says I'm signed in.
No, you have to start the quiz first before you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Petit, do you see me sign in?
Have you started the quiz?
Well, like in the quiz now.
Have you answered any question?
No.
Okay,
Yeah.
answer a question first, and then I'll see you.
Playing around and do that so you get slapped now because you're doing foolishness.
That's right. I figure. Oh.
All right. Answer a question. And I'll see if you're in. Oh, by the way, for those of you who got 100 in the quiz already, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me. Seth, have you okay, I see Madeline. I see Adaya, Legacy, Madeline, and Maya. The rest of you have not seen as yet. Wyatt, where's Wyatt? Wyatt Thompson, can you hear me? Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me? Okay, I see Lorenda. So I have Lorenda, Legacy, Maya.
I think she meant for.
Wait, Adaya, Lorenda, Legacy, Madeline, and Maya. Joel and Gianna, what happened? What's taking y'all so long? Joel and Gianna?
Miss Pretty isn't letting me.
It isn't letting you in?
Well, it let me in, but the first one, when I press submit my answer, it erased.
It erased it. You have to sign in, Najara.
It said I'm signed in.
Have you clicked on the link in the chat?
Yes, sir.
Have you
Do you
answered
want me to send you a picture?
Have you answered the question?
She
Yes,
probably
sir.
signed on the wrong one.
I don't understand how she could be signing the wrong one.
Because there's
It
3 links
erased.
there.
No, it doesn't matter. Whatever she's on, once she's in it, she'll be able to. Okay, take a picture of your screen. Let me see what you have.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Something. The screen is saying something about family, school, and
Okay.
class. Which one to press?
Okay, let's go to the. Let me show you my screen. Yes.
You sent a second one in the chat.
I sent 3 of them. That's what I want you to do. It's 3 quizzes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Joel. Where's Joel? Do you all see this when you enter?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh no, so I didn't saw that when
I didn't think I saw that.
You want to see this when you enter? What would you see when you when you let me go to this.
I did go into the quiz and then it did
No,
then it
don't go to the quiz. Go to ixl.com.
Oh.
Go to ixl.com. When you go to ixl.com, you're gonna see this. Put your username and password there. Right there. Kerrigan. It's Kerrigan.
Excuse
sir.
Go to IXL and type in your username and password there. Right there.
So you're not in. You're not in. No, you're not in. You are not in.
Mr. Pretty, I didn't see where you're putting.
Okay, let me see.
Sign in.
Yeah. Okay, let me show you where to put your username and password. Seth, where's Seth? Seth and Kerrigan, y'all have to pay attention. Go ahead, Najara.
Well, right.
You're not. Okay, let me share my screen with you.
I'm going back to the link I asked.
Okay. Go to ixl.com. It's not
I
that
see it,
difficult.
Mr. Pretty.
Go to ixl.com and then put your username and password here. You put your username and your password. All right. And then press sign in. Okay. Once you do that, once you already sign in, then go to the link in the chat.
They're not showing me where to put my password.
They're not showing you where to put your password. So you don't see these 2 boxes.
Because I'm already signed in.
You already signed in?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, go to the quiz then.
Excuse me, sweetie.
Go ahead.
Can any of the answers be a mixed number?
I can.
Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me, Mr. T.
Go ahead.
I only see 2. You only sent 2 in the chat.
No, I sent 3 quizzes. The first one is the one which
With
says
like denominators and with uh adding with like denominators and subtracting with like denominators.
mm-hmm.
That's all I see.
Then there's another one again, which is subtract again. I have 2 subtract.
Can you send it back to me?
Okay, let me send it to you.
Yes.
Probably. Yeah, no problem. Maya. So you already finished 2 already, right?
Yes, sir.
Maya. Okay, send it to you. Who else?
Thank you.
No problem. Okay, I see Seth. Seth. Where's Seth? Seth, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You're doing the wrong quiz. You have to go and do the quiz in the chat. The quiz that's in the chat, do that. Don't do your own thing. Go and do the quiz that's in the chat.
I am the quiz in the chat.
No, that's not the quiz that's in the chat.
Look in the chat and see what he's talking about.
It's the one that say gracious, right?
The first one.
I did press the first one.
Press it again, then.
Okay.
The one that say grateful at fashion with like the numbers.
Yes, that one. That one. Yes, that one. That's what I want you to start with. Click on that one. Lorenda. Okay. Okay, now Kerrigan. Where's Kerrigan?
I'm inside, Mr. I'm on to the
Kerrigan, Kerrigan, have you signed in yet? Where's Kerrigan?
No, sir, I don't see it. We're signing.
Okay. Do you have a phone?
Pardon me?
Do you have a phone? A phone. I need a phone. Do you have a phone?
Yes, sir.
Call me off your phone so I could see what you need to do. Call me on WhatsApp. Seth, you need to get on the quiz.
Yeah, I'm on the quiz.
Have you answered the question yet? Have you answered the question yet?
And the first one.
Okay. All right, good. Turn your camera around, Kerrigan. I need to see your laptop. No, there's a feature to turn the camera around.
I was on my Grammy phone right now.
No, I'm saying to turn the, oh gosh. There's a way to turn your camera around.
Uh-huh.
Right? There's a button you press which has like a arrow which starts reversing on WhatsApp. Click on that.
On the WhatsApp. Okay.
There's a to reverse the camera.
So, all right. What app should I go to on the camera app?
No. You don't look. It's right there on WhatsApp. There's a button right there which looks like a camera, and it has arrows with signals reverse, right?
Camera, okay. Camera and arrow. That's not the one.
Okay, yeah, you that's it right there. Good, perfect. Okay, now I need to see the screen.
My Grammy phone right now.
Yeah, I need to see your computer screen.
I using my Grammy phone
Oh,
to
let me
do
see
my
it. Let,
math.
let me see your Grammy phone.
This is the same phone we're using,
Oh, it's the
sir.
same phone to call me. Oh,
Yes.
oh, he's on his phone. Okay, I understand now. Okay. All right, so
I think he has to share his screen.
no, he's on the phone. Okay, so
Excuse me.
I mean, we have another iPad here because this iPad can't go in Zoom. So maybe he can use his iPad to get on the website.
there's a way to get on the website, All you need to do is go when he goes to the website, tell me what he see. When you go on the website, what do you see?
What
IXL
website is
IXL.com. IXL.com.
IXL.com?
Go to IXL.com.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I did the first one. I got one wrong, and then do me put over. So am I supposed to press got it?
Yes.
Then start over.
Yes. Seth, where's Seth? Where's Seth?
Huh?
Turn your camera, please. This is too easy, Seth. Too easy. How come you still on the first question?
And the second one. I feel so confused now.
It's adding fractions with like denominators. Which part of the question? Which part of the question don't you understand?
Oh, God.
So
It's
you
equal
still
to
don't
50.
see
I
it?
finished everything. I mean, I finished the first one. I got 100.
Go to the second one. Well, first of all, IXL.com. IXL.com. Go to IXL.com. Let me go to Joel.
Okay, we are on IXL.com right now.
Okay.
We don't see anything for sign in. That we only see join now.
Okay. Now when you're
We
on
saw on the
okay, good. Now when you're on IXL.com, what do you see?
I see the IXL on the left, and they say 4th grade. And then the top, it have a search bar, and then there's also have a join now.
Okay. You see the 3 bars? Click on the 3 bars.
Okay, I click on the 3 bar.
You should
And
see.
they say learning, assessment, analytics, take off, inspiration, sign in.
So yeah, press sign
Go
in.
on the sign in.
Yeah.
And then I signed in and then I was in. Okay, what is your username and your password?
It's in the chat. It's in the chat.
Okay. No space. Type in. Kerrigan McCoy.
Seth, class, once you finish with your quiz, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me, please. There are 3 quizzes inside the chat. Once you finish with your quiz, take a screenshot of it and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I didn't know I had to send a picture of my grade.
Yes.
I deleted the page I was doing my work on because I was done and I got 100.
No, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me, please. Time.
It didn't let me in.
Okay. Yeah. Are we ready? Sign in.
It didn't let me, like, it keeps saying your username or password is incorrect.
Because you're using the incorrect password. Make sure that you write the password exactly like how I have it. No.
I put it for
Kerrigan. Write down the password exactly like how it is. If you write it like how it is, there will be none wrong. Kerrigan McCoy. No uppercase. 344. Password is hot. 11.
I have your sweater, your jacket in the dining room, the Pacific jacket.
All right, anyone finished with the first 3 quizzes? Is there anyone who's finished with the first 3 quizzes?
I'm done with the first one. I'm on the second one. Well, actually, I've been done with the first one.
Okay, if you finish with the first 3, I put the next one inside it. There as
Yeah.
well.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
I don't know how to do the three the 3 number fraction thing. I don't know how to do that.
Well, you keep the denominator the same and then you just add or subtract the top. All right, so keep the denominator the same and then add or subtract the top. All right, all 3 numbers one time.
Yes, sir.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Good. Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me? This is perfect. Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me? Okay, I can't hear from Wyatt. Where's Wyatt? Who's speaking?
Kerrigan.
Okay, now Carrie can go inside the chat and go to the first quiz, which says like denominators, grade 4, add fractions like denominators. Go to that. Click on that.
Every time I doing this, they would give me a lot of questions that would be subtract or add, and then they give me one question that's subtract or add, and I think it's either subtract or add, and I keep on getting it wrong, and making me mad.
There's a challenge mode
They're
now, Miss
tricking me.
Challenge mode is good. Challenge mode is pretty good. Mode is good. Where's Rodino? Made the caller. All right, Kerrigan, I see you now. Good. All right, how are we doing on our quizzes, Adaya? What is your smart score?
My smart score is 19.
What you got on the first one?
Oh, I don't remember.
I mean, did you complete the first one?
Yes, you mean the first test?
Yeah, the first one, yes.
Yes, I sent it to you.
What you got?
Oh, I got 100 on the first test.
Okay, did you send a screenshot of it to me?
Yes, sir.
Really? What's your number?
4655104.
465. Okay. Very good. Excellent.
Thank you.
Complete the other one. Who was finished with their first quiz? Who finished? Who got 100 on the first quiz? Let me know, please, if you got 100 on the first quiz.
I got 100 on the first quiz.
Okay, Legacy.
I got 100 on the
did.
I'm so
Aya.
upset.
questions were in the first
This
quiz.
one tricking me.
Excellent.
Excuse me.
Go ahead, Najara.
How much questions is in the first quiz?
Until you get 100, Najara. Until you get 100. It's not gonna stop until you get 100.
I'm close.
I noticed you had 94. Lorenda, what's your smart score? Lorenda, what's your smart score? Joel and Gianna, did y'all finish the first quiz? Joel and Gianna, did y'all finish the first quiz?
Yes, sir.
I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Good. And Seth, what your smart score is?
81.
81. What do you keep on getting wrong?
The answer keep having a 1 in front of it.
Okay. So that means that you have to translate it into a mixed fraction.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't even know. I don't even know when I'm supposed to do it. Like, am I supposed to do it all the time just in case?
You have to do it whenever the big number, whenever the top number is bigger than the bottom number. That's when you translate it. Whenever the top number is bigger than the bottom number. 5, 6.
This is Petite. I did it.
7, 8.
Excuse me, Mr. Petite.
I finished the first one.
But Seth, where's Seth? One second, Seth.
What's up?
It says 5/8 plus 7/8. How you got 14/8? Where the 14 come from?
I think I might count it wrong.
And that's the problem. You don't even have to change it into a mixed number. All you need to do is add correctly. You understand me? Because it's actually 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's actually 12/8. So if you'd have put 12/8, they would have marked it right. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
So just add correctly. There's no reason why you shouldn't be getting this. Where's Y at?
I got 32 out of 36.
Legacy, excellent. Very
I'm
good.
on the second one.
You're on the second one, very good. Very good Najara as well. Very good Madeline. Where's Madeline? Where's Madeline?
Yes, sir.
You just quietly getting hundreds, quietly.
I didn't get a 100.
Yeah, I mean, you mastered the skill. So that's good. Take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me. Seth, what is your smart score?
93.
What is it?
93.
93. Do you understand what you're doing or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Adaya, where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You are still on 19. Why are you still on 19?
Because I trying to understand and I don't understand it.
What you understand about this one?
I don't understand anything.
That's not true, Adaya. Stop lying. What you
I
mean
don't understand nothing about it.
That's not true. Literally, you've been doing the same thing. You got 2 right already. What you mean you don't understand it? What the question is?
It's 9/12 plus 7/12 plus 3/12.
What did I told you about adding 3 fractions?
Leave the denominator. Leave the denominator same.
And then do what?
Add the numerators.
Okay, so add the numerators.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Seth, take a picture of your work and send it to me, please. Legacy, stop being too busy talking. You in class?
Sorry, my mommy was talking to me.
Adaya, where's Adaya? Answer the question, please. Kerrigan, where's Kerrigan?
Yes, sir.
What's your smart score is?
88.
88. Seth, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me, please.
I am doing a challenge. Okay.
All right. Adaya, did you pass that question? Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I passed the question.
Good. Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me? Where's Wyatt?
Right here.
Wyatt, how come you weren't answering earlier? Hello, Wyatt.
I had to fix my mic. What you do?
No, stop lying, Wyatt. You weren't paying attention. That's your problem.
Okay. Tell me what's going on. Still, Mr. Petit.
Yes.
I finished and then it's saying reveal the prize.
Take a screenshot. Once you get 100, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me, and then move on to the next quiz, all right? Wyatt, where's Wyatt?
Oh, right there.
Your mother is paying for these classes. You have to pay
I have
attention.
to do it again.
You understand me, Wyatt?
Yes, sir.
You have to be paying attention. You can't be doing your own thing. And you sat right there and you was not doing the work. You just was, I don't know, sleeping or something. You can't be sleeping in my class, Wyatt. You understand me? Hello, Wyatt, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
I don't understand this. Everyone literally doing their quizzes and you just right there not doing anything. Do you think that makes sense? Hello, Wyatt, do you think that makes sense? Wyatt, do you think that makes sense?
No, sir.
It doesn't. It does not. You have to be participating inside the class. Everyone is doing their quiz. People already on their neck on their other quiz, getting the hundreds, and you haven't started anything. I asked you to send your name and your name in the chat so you can get your username and password. And you have not done that. Look inside the chat, Wyatt, and you will see your name and your username and your password.
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
1 second. Wyatt, do you see a username and password in the thing I sent?
Yes, sir.
Are you familiar with how to use IXL?
Yes, sir.
All right, go to IXL and sign into IXL, and then go inside the chat. You'll see the quiz. Click on that quiz, but you have to sign on to IXL first. So first thing to do, sign into IXL, and then go on the first quiz. You understand me? Why do you understand me? Okay, do that for me. Seth, which quiz are you on?
The second one.
The second one. What's your smart score is?
90.
90, okay. Madeline, take a picture of your work and send it to me.
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
Go ahead, Lorinda.
Can you send the quizzes links in the chat, please? Because I got my iPad cut off and all disappeared.
Okay.
Mr. Petit, I did the third quiz in 5 minutes and 20 seconds, and I got 24 out of 24.
Ah, that's perfection. Excellent. Very good. Very good.
Mr. Petit, is there 4 quizzes?
There are 4 quizzes.
Yes, sir.
Wyatt, have you signed into IXL as yet?
I sign in now.
Have you signed in? Do you know how to sign? Do you know how to sign in to IXL?
Yes, sir.
So sign into IXL using your username and password.
I got 100 on the other quiz. I'm going on the third one.
Take a screenshot of your work and send it to me, Joel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Adaya, what is your smart score?
My smart score is 95.
95. Madeline, what is your smart score?
For which one?
The one that you're currently on.
I think it was. I forgot what it was.
Well, currently, the one that you're currently on. You have a smart score on that.
I think I just started this one, so it's probably like
It's
1?
No, it's 0.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
I just finished the one that you sent in the chat. Did you send
I got one
more?
wrong. I'm sorry.
1 second, Legacy. You can't interrupt her while she's speaking.
Sorry.
I haven't sent another one yet. I'm gonna send the 5th one in the chat right now.
Okay.
I just posted it.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Precipitate, I did the first question, I got it wrong, and I didn't understand why.
Do the other one.
Here, Mr. Petite.
Yes, sir. But I think I got it right there.
No, you. Wait a minute. Ha 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 ha. Wait a minute.
You looking through the chat in WhatsApp. There's nothing to you for.
Wait. 30, 33, 34, 35, 36. Oh. Oh no. Yeah. Oh, okay. I should not put that in the chat. No, don't do that one. That one is not easy. That one is easy. That is not easy. Don't do that one.
Yes, sir. The one that you just sent?
No. The one that you finished. I shouldn't have put that one.
What are we supposed to not do?
The one that you're doing.
The 4th one?
The 4th one. There's another one. There's another 4th one, which is actually the 5th one, but I'm gonna turn that into the 4th one because this one is not. We ain't ready for that yet. Okay, so go to the 5th one, which is actually the 4th one. Wyatt, what is your smart score? And Seth, what is your smart score?
72.
72. Kerrigan, what is your smart score?
100.
100. Take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need all y'all to do that. Once you get 100, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. Seth, did you finish that one?
To go to the next exam.
Yes, sir. I finished the second one.
You finished
I
the second?
On the next
Okay,
chat.
good.
Okay. Here, Mr. Petite.
Go ahead.
I'm on the last one now.
That's good.
I don't know. What's the next one for it?
How many quizzes have you done so far?
1.
You just done 1? Okay.
Yes, sir.
The next one you're supposed to do, I'm gonna send it to you right now. I'm gonna send it to you. You say you only did 1 so far, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, Miss Petite.
Go ahead.
You remember when I said my iPad cut off? I already did that finish the first quiz, but it finished right when it cut off right when I finished. I didn't get to screenshot that grade.
Oh, okay. That's no problem. I still have it.
But I got all right.
Send it.
Yes, I sent it, Kerrigan.
You said to WhatsApp or?
No, I sent it through Zoom. Go on the Zoom chat.
I have it.
Maya, where's your next quiz?
I'm trying.
Yeah.
I'm pressing the finish button and it's not working.
Okay. Look like you have to refresh that. Seth, what's your smart score?
85.
Okay. Wyatt. Where's Wyatt? Where's
Yes,
Y?
sir.
Take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me. Then go on to the next quiz. All right?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Mrs. T, right when I thought I was finished with the second one, it went to 99.
That is the reason why I do not like IXL.
No complaining about IXL, please. Just do the work. Carrigan. Adaya, what is your smart score? Yes.
I'm on the third one now, and my smart score is, I think, 95.
95, okay. Joel, you are not supposed to be doing that quiz. Joel,
Yes, sir.
you're not supposed to be doing that one. You have to go to the other one. Wyatt, where's Wyatt?
Right here.
Move on to the next quiz. Why are you still on the first one?
I'm taking a picture.
Okay.
Excuse me, sweetie.
Go ahead.
I finished my test in 4 minutes and 3 seconds, and I got all right.
I noticed that. Excellent. Excellent stuff. Keep it up, Adaya. Keep it up. Um, Seth, what is your smart score?
Right now it's a 64.
64, okay.
Activity, I finished the second one.
That's good. Move on to the third.
Oh, and I got 100 on the second.
Yes, most definitely.
I'm gonna send it.
No problem. All right. Maya, move on to the next quiz. Again, Maya, move on to the next quiz. Legacy, finish the last quiz. All right. Cheer up, Legacy, cheer up. Seth, what is your smart score? What is that? All right. What is your smart score? What y'all got so far? What is your smart score? What y'all smart score is
I
currently?
just started, so I can have a 10.
I just started
I
now.
have 83 on the third one.
83 on the third one. Okay. The rest of you all, what is your smart score? The rest of you all, what your smart score is?
Mine says 91.
91. That's good.
Mine's is a 75.
75. Very good. Excellent.
73.
Mine's
73.
is 88.
88. Excellent.
88.
88. Okay, that's good.
Am I the one on the last quiz?
You're on the last quiz. Yes, you are on the last one. Maya, what's your smart score is?
My smart score is 36.
36. Okay. And you're on the last one as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
I have to go now.
You have to leave?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. We can finish that. We might have to continue this tomorrow. We'll have to see. But stop right there and then you could go.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye, Mr. Richard.
No problem. Take care.
You too.
Similarity.
Bye, Mr. Petit.
Lorenda, where are you going? You have to leave as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can go.
So I think I got a 103rd one.
103rd one?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Take a screenshot of that and send it to me, please. I can't see
Yes,
it.
sir.
Take a screenshot and send it to me.
Mr. Petit, I finished.
Take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me, please.
I just opened it.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
You said the fourth one don't do right. The fifth one is actually the fourth one, right?
You could do that tomorrow, so you could go. Once you finish.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You said leave?
You can leave, yeah.
Okay, bye.
All right, everyone, stop where you are. Stop where you are. We are going to continue this tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Thank you for teaching our class. See you
Yes.
tomorrow.
Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
You as
too.
well. Have a good rest of your day. And I got an 81 so far.
So far, that's good. That's excellent. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.